Hi, good morning. Dr. Box Rivera po ito. Right now, nandito po ako sa Zamboanga and it's my first time. Practically, up until recently, no, naging part po kami ng Global United Nations Associations of the Philippines. And this week, no, October 2 to 6, we will be witnessing the celebrations or the launching of peace centers across Mindanao, specifically dito sa Zamboanga and Basilan. We are part of this mainly because we need to introduce no yung aming ginagawa, yung speculoscope no na assisted na cervical cancer screening no dito sa areas na ito, which will be also be part na ginagawa namin po ng libre every Saturday po diyan po sa Makati. Kasi kung pupunta ko kayo ng Monday to Friday, it's going to be costly. It will cost you 2,500 no. Pero kapag Sabado, libre po ito. Kung may PhilHealth eligible ID po kayo, no, na okay, so libre po ito. Tuwing Sabado, starts October 11. Oh, malapit na. I will see you there. Bye.